So this is my next 124 scale post-apocalyptic build. As you can see, it's on the Revell Muscle 69 Pontiac GTO Judge 2-in-1 kit. Quick look at the box, just because there's the box, but I've actually been working on this since just before Christmas. Actually no, just after Christmas. But I've never really posted an update, which is why I'm making the video now. So yeah, I've been working on this thing on and off. This is going to be like a series of videos, like the last couple of builds, where I'll just be posting updates here and there when I'm working on it. Just because I'm going to be working on this for a long time, so I'm going to try and do my best to make this the best I can do with this thing. Just because I really like this car. It's one of my all-time favourite cars, and so I just want to really make this something special. So I'll be doing a lot of custom parts, as you can already see. I've done a lot of work to it already, but there's still plenty to go. So initially I was going to base this thing off of the GTA Online weaponized temper, but really I'm just kind of making like a death race post-apocalyptic like armoured car sort of thing. So we've already got the armour on the side, which is just some square pattern styrene with some green stuff around to make it look like it's been welded in place. I custom built this front bumper out of styrene tubing and such, as you can see. There's a fuel tank, like an oil drum barrel in there. I've ripped out the rear seats. These doors aren't attached; they're just held on with some tape, just because I'm going to hinge them like I usually do. Built a mortar launcher. Again, it was inspired by the weaponized temper out of just some styrene tubing. I've cut the original fuel tank out because I'm going to be building some kind of mine layer here, so it'll just drop down and drop mines. Probably have to scratch build the mines and this whole thing. Obviously we've got this automatic turret up at the top. I do want to build some kind of controls for it inside, because I'm going to do some detail on the interior. Also this window at the front and the sides, they're going to have armour, but I'm going to be building the armour so it retracts, so you could, like, the side windows will retract into the door like, you know, electric windows. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with the front. Initial idea was have it go up on a roller, maybe have it on a hinge. I'm not entirely sure at this point. I've tried a couple of different things, but nothing's really certain. I'm still working it out at the moment. I have done some detail in the engine bay, if I can open the hood. Yeah. So, as you can see, there's the original, there's the body colour. I'll try and tip this up, but the wheels are on loose, so it might fall apart. Yeah, as you can see, I've painted the engine. That's just the stock engine that comes with the kit. Still got a bit of wiring and stuff to do, but that is going to be the base colour. It's funny, on the camera it looks a little darker than it is in real life. It's a very close to lime green. This, I'll just move that because it's loose. I've also raised up the suspension, as you can see. Now these wheels are on loose, they're just on some sticks. Actually the front ones are about to fall off, I think. Yeah, you can just see it's on a styrene tube. It's just, but I'll get rid of that anyway. So yeah, these are originally off I think it's a Revell Jeep Wrangler snap tight kit. You'll have seen that Jeep in my first Mega Constructs animation, Greens vs Tan. It's like the wrecked Jeep that the tan guys had behind. Anyway, back to this. So yeah, I've scratch built the suspension on this so far. I have obviously got a lot of work to do, put some proper axles on it, but yeah, just some styrene tubing, wrapped some copper wire around that to make it look like some shock absorbers. And obviously I'm going to put the axles on underneath here, but I've just glued the wheels on, well, temporarily with PVA glue, but obviously it didn't hold up that well. I also used some styrene, there's like, I can't recall this, it's like, just like little bits of styrene that you get in this kind of, I don't know what you call it. Yeah, you get this, it comes in different variants and sizes and stuff. You can get it in like square, like on the front here, and angled and like a C shape and stuff. But this is just like some strips. So I use this to build the leaf springs, and obviously some tubing there, just trying to... The engine's also loose, so that's probably going to fall out. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of work to go in to make the suspension look more realistic. I've also going to add drive shafts, and probably going to convert this to make it look like it's at least 4-wheel drive or something. I'm not too sure. Early stages yet. So yeah, that's about it for this one. Again, this is just going to be like an update whenever I make some progress on this thing. So the updates will probably be most likely monthly, I'd say. Just because, you know, I'll update when I make some major progress on it and such as that. So this is the first one. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.